So over here, you can see that I have this text. And if I were to go around over here onto more tools, then I can go ahead and change the text projection as well. I can go ahead and turn this on, and you can see that I can add in a shadow right here. Change the opacity of the shadow, change the blurriness of the shadow right here, and even change the angle of the shadow right here for some effect. And even change around the distance, as you can see, and choose the shadow color as I want as well, just like this right here. And that is what you have right here, just like this. Apart from that, you can also work around with the position and size of the text. So you can go around and center align the text box, left align it, right align it, or top align it, center align it right here, or bottom align it. Then you can see that this is what you have right here. Let me just go around over here and select out the text. Let's say, for example, and go ahead and change the color of the text right here, just like this. So once I go around over here onto position and size, I can keep it on the top layer or the bottom layer. I can place it at bottom, so this text is over here on the top, or I can go ahead and keep it one step forward or one step backward as well, just like this. You can even go ahead and change the X and Y rotation right here, and even change around the width of the text box as well by writing in the value right here, just like this as well. You can even rotate out the text right here, or you can even go ahead and type in a value right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the text projection, position, and size inside of Terabox. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.